Hi, I'm Katie Kennedy from Every Home, and I'm here with Stephanie Newcomb.
Hi.
We're both agents, and we both have Victory Gardens at our homes, and we have way too much basil. I'm sure everybody does that grows basil. So today we're going to do a little homemade pesto.
Yep.
There's only 5 ingredients: basil, obviously, garlic, Parmesan cheese, and olive oil. You do need either a blender or Cuisinart. So we're going to get started. We have picked the basil and washed it and took off most of the woody stem. So mostly you just have leaves. So we're gonna get started grinding that up in the food processor, and we'll take it from there. So I'm putting in about a tablespoon of garlic. If you're using it out of a jar, it's a little bit stronger. The fresh garlic you can use a little bit more than a tablespoon. And we're doing a batch, I don't know, I'm like a good Tupperware size of pesto. You can freeze it, so that's kind of nice. If you bring it back from the freezer, you do need to add a little olive oil to loosen it up a little bit. So I'm just gonna put this in here, and I'm gonna have Stephanie start throwing in some leaves. Get out of the way here. So we're gonna pulse this until we use up all the basil, and then we're going to drizzle in some olive oil, which will give it that kind of emulsion that you need. And hold it all together. So then we'll be adding pinoli nuts, pine nuts. You can do it with walnuts too. I don't like the walnuts as much, but this also has a licorice flavor, so it's really heady. It's a really heady pesto. So I'm gonna put a little pinoli in. We're gonna grind up the rest of that basil, and then drizzle in some olive oil. Thanks for coming today. A couple uses of pesto. Obviously you can put it on pasta. If I put it on pasta, I always use like just about a half of a cup of the water that the pasta cooked in. It helps it stick to the noodles if you mix it with your pesto, or just dipped in bread, which is just the best. But we're gonna sign off now. We're gonna put this in containers and put it in the freezer for later.